Welcome to my educative channel. I am Dr. Ricardo Hoogstra, plastic surgeon, Buenos Aires, Argentina. I am specialized in minimal invasive procedures, facial rejuvenation, and I treat many skin lesions with using laser technology. Today I'm going to talk about face scars and laser treatment. This is my curriculum. Many patients around the world come to my clinic to improve this kind of scar that are very difficult, and the idea of this is perform a WB plasty using laser technology before and after the procedure. Here we can see a white scar, and this is the post-treatment 30 days after the procedure. The patients are very happy with the result, and with makeup is almost imperceptible. Here is another view. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. You can send pictures to my team via WhatsApp, and we are going to analyze the scar and propose what kind of treatment is the best for you. Have a nice day.